hibiscus and MRCB, the two loss in June. You can see it is still there, you see. High waste time. Okay. Remember, my money in hibiscus and MRCB has been transferred to Supermax. Okay, transferred to GCB, to master. Right? So you can see the other three stock all went up. Hibiscus still there, don't want to move. And then you got MRCB. High. If I were to remain vested in MRCB, right? Today I am still looking at 51 cents only. I remember we bought 56. Then I have to cut loss. Okay, 56. So if I were to continue to stay with this stock, waste time. So the money I do a swap. Okay, a swap. Those of you who are new, you may not understand what is swap. So let me show you what is swap. There. Okay, swap. Yeah, like that very hard to see my comment. Let me try again. Swap my hibiscus to GCB. So swap. Swap. What is swap right here? The concept of swap. If I had invested 12k in stock A, bloody hell, it dropped and I'm left with 10k, so I lost 2k. The reason to buy stock A is no longer valid, because when you buy a stock A, you expect the share price to go up. But if it doesn't go up, it starts to come down, it means that my analysis is wrong. I have got no more reason to own stock A. Therefore, I want to do a swap. So I look at stock B. Price also dropped, but the fundamentals remain strong and there is a good reason why it will still go up. GCB, Supermax. Then I will invest whatever I have in stock A, 10k, into stock B. And when the rebound or recovery happens, stock B should outperform stock A. That is the basis for the swap. Okay, so this is a very important lesson. I hope everybody learn from this. Okay, the concept of swap. I have it under this trading portfolio management. Okay, I have it under here so that it will be forever logged in here. Now, how to own stocks for free? This is the example on top glove, and then this is the concept of swap. Okay, so come here and take a look. Let me continue. So these two. So if I never swap, I would have never had enough funds to buy GCB. How is GCB doing? Still break even level, I think. Yeah, 268. Okay, 268. And then I've got master. Okay, I'll come to them later one by one, but I just want to do a quick one because we are talking about this stock anyway. Okay, master. Oh yeah, close week today, 193. It was doing 197, 196. I thought, wow, whole sale. Closed at 193. No complaints. We bought at 188. 188. Sorry, 186. Bought at 186. So 10 cents in profit, no problem. And also Supermax, of course, Supermax go higher lah. Supermax go higher. So you see the importance of swap. Okay.
We proudly present an exclusive program. 60 Days of Trading Bursa with ChartNexus. Over 60 days of mentorship, you will be transformed into a competent trader following our trading process. You will receive daily trading plans and learn from the tutorial videos and weekly webinars in our exclusive members page. All traders will be equipped with a mobile app for daily pre-market trading plan broadcast. A members-only page with over 100 plus video tutorials and weekly webinar in our stock screening platform. For traders who are too busy to follow the market movers, we will update you through the halftime report. You will never miss the next buy signal or sell reasons. Together as a community we will track this list of stocks. Receive our pre-market opening bell broadcast where the trading plan is shared and will include the volume trigger value that is necessary before we execute a trade. Gain access to our stocks discussions on follow-ups on the stocks we are tracking where news catalysts are being updated regularly. Let's try SCOMNET. Search for SCOMNET and you can see the trading plan and all the discussions happening under the comment. Learn from the tutorial videos to improve your chart reading and stock picking skills. Pay special attention to Lesson 3 as this is the core principle in our chart reading. Use our stock screener to look for stocks with buyers in control. You will have an arsenal of trading strategies to choose from in multiple stock exchanges for your selection. With our advanced screening technology, your next winner is closer. So give us your next 60 days and let us transform you into a competent trader. Please find the registration link below. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.